Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Excel on your Xiaomi Pad 6. First, download the official Microsoft Excel application from the Google Play Store. It's a free download, but you'll need a Microsoft account for full functionality. Ensure your tablet has at least 300 megabytes of free storage for the app. Once installed, open it up and sign in to begin creating and editing spreadsheets right away. Navigating Excel on your Xiaomi Pad 6 is intuitive. The familiar ribbon interface is optimized for touch, providing quick access to all essential tools. Simply tap on any cell to select it and bring up the on-screen keyboard for data entry. You can easily pinch to zoom in or out, allowing you to focus on specific areas or view your entire spreadsheet with ease. It's designed for efficiency. Excel on your tablet offers powerful features. You can use essential formulas such as SUM, average, and count to perform quick calculations and analyze your data. Easily create professional-looking charts and graphs directly from your data to visualize trends. Remember to save your work frequently, ideally to a cloud service like OneDrive, ensuring your files are always accessible across all your devices. This keeps your work safe. To maximize your productivity with Excel on the Xiaomi Pad 6, consider connecting an external keyboard and mouse. This setup provides much greater precision and speed for data entry and navigation. Also, explore the wide range of pre-built Excel templates available for various tasks, saving you valuable time. Learning a few key keyboard shortcuts will further streamline your workflow, making your tablet a powerful productivity tool.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.